Let's make sure that you're familiar with Loyola's transfer credit policy. In this video, I'll be going over AP, IB, CLEP, and college transfer credits. If you don't know your AP, IB, or CLEP scores yet, I'll keep my fingers crossed. In the meantime, you should go ahead and register for your classes when your enrollment period starts. Then, when the scores are electronically received by Loyola in July, you'll have the opportunity to change your schedule as needed. Typically, when students take the test, they indicate that they would like their scores sent to Loyola directly. If you took the IB or CLEP tests and didn't do that, you should contact the IB or CLEP program to have your scores sent to Loyola. If you took AP tests and didn't indicate that you'd like your scores sent to Loyola, contact the College Board and use Loyola's code 1412 to have your scores sent electronically to us. If you do have your scores already, or are wondering how they'll transfer when they come in, head to this page. Here you'll find how transfer credits are translated and count on your Loyola transcript. Keep in mind that there's a 24 credit hour transfer maximum for test credits. If you've earned more than 24 credits prior to your enrollment at Loyola, you'll want to work with your advisor to decide which credits to keep and which credits to deny. When going through the registration process, it's helpful to keep in mind that students at Loyola cannot receive credit for the same course twice. So here's an example. If you accept that AP Psychology credit you earned your junior year of high school, you won't be able to take Psychology 101 again at Loyola. That's why you may need to change your schedule or deny your AP, IB, and CLEP credits once you receive your test scores in July. For students planning to pursue a professional track like pre-health and especially pre-medical, we recommend looking into graduate and medical school policies regarding AP, IB, and CLEP credits and whether they fulfill prerequisites for admission. Because some schools don't accept these credits, you may want to deny them to take the courses at Loyola. Students who took a class at a college or university and wish to transfer those credits to Loyola will be eligible to transfer up to 5 courses, but they can't have been required for graduation from your high school. You'll need to have received a letter grade of B or higher in those college courses for them to be eligible to transfer to Loyola. If you have college or university credits, make sure to have your official college transcript sent to us, and then email your advisor at Loyola to ask him or her for the application to transfer freshman credit hours. Because your advisor can give you a sense of how your courses will transfer, avoid registering for a course that sounds similar to the college classes you took. Remember, you can't receive credit for the same course twice. Finally, if any of the following apply to you, you'll want to contact your advisor for further information. If you're transferring 1818 credits from St. Louis University, if you've earned an associate's degree from a community college, or if you're unsure of how your college transfer courses may affect your registration. This concludes the video on AP, IB, CLEP, and transfer credits.